If she had studied harder, she. The exam. Will pass. Would pass. Would have passed. Passes. The correct answer is would have passed. They. To the party if they had received the invitation. Come. Came. Would have come. Would come. The correct answer is would have come. If it hadn't rained, we. Tennis yesterday. Would play. Would have played. Played. Play. The correct answer is would have played. I. You if I had known you were in trouble. Would have helped. Will help. Would help. Help. The correct answer is would have helped. If we had taken a taxi, we. On time. Have arrived. Arrived. Would arrive. Would have arrived. The correct answer is would have arrived. She wouldn't have been late if she. Earlier. Had left. Would leave. Leaves. Will leave. The correct answer is had left. If they had listened to the instructions, they. The problem. Would avoid. Avoided. Would have avoided. Will avoid. The correct answer is would have avoided. He. The job if he had applied for it. Would have gotten. Gets. Will get. Got. The correct answer is would have gotten. If I hadn't eaten so much, I. Sick. Won't feel. Wouldn't have felt. Wouldn't feel. Don't feel. The correct answer is wouldn't have felt. You. The game if you had practiced more. Would win. Will win. Would have won. Win. The correct answer is would have won. If she had seen the sign, she. The wrong turn. Didn't take. Wouldn't take. Wouldn't have taken. Won't take. The correct answer is wouldn't have taken. We wouldn't have missed the train if we. 5 minutes earlier. Had left. Leave. Left. Would leave. The correct answer is had left. If I had known it was your birthday, I. You a gift. Gave. Give. Would give. Would have given. The correct answer is would have given. They. To the concert if they had bought tickets in advance. Would have gone. Would go. Went. Had gone. The correct answer is would have gone. If you hadn't forgotten your ID, you. Into the building. Would get. Would have gotten. Got. Get. The correct answer is would have gotten. He. The deadline if he had worked faster. Meets. Would meet. Would have met. Met. The correct answer is would have met. If I had set my alarm, I. Up on time. Would have woken. Wake. Would wake. Woke. The correct answer is would have woken. You? The correct answer, if you had read the question carefully, would find, found, would have found, had found. The correct answer is would have found. She wouldn't have lost her keys if she them in her bag. Puts, had put, would put, was putting. The correct answer is had put. If they hadn't cancelled the flight, we on vacation would be, would have been, were, are. The correct answer is would have been. If Tom had asked for directions, he lost, wouldn't be, isn't, wouldn't have been, wasn't. The correct answer is wouldn't have been. Your message, if I had checked my phone. Get, would have got, would get. The correct answer is would have got. If the teacher had explained it better, the topic. Understand, would have understood, had understood. The correct answer is would have understood. They. More photos if they had brought their camera. Would have taken, took, would take. The correct answer is would have taken. If I had seen the warning sign, into the restricted area. Wouldn't go, wouldn't have gone, don't go, didn't go. The correct answer is wouldn't have gone.